Welcome to Medik8. We are in Elstree, North London, and I'm here at the brilliant laboratories of where this skincare range is researched and developed. It's a family-run business founded by Elliot Isaacs, and it's a brand that I have a real affiliation with because it's simplified skincare for me in a very, very busy arena. Their philosophy is CSA, and now that's the foundation to my skincare. So I'll always use vitamin C in the morning, SPF during the day, and retinol at night. Now, a couple of years ago, I posted a film about 2 products that made a massive difference to my skin. And because my skin changed so dramatically, I became very interested in the brand. I came to meet them to learn more about it, so I can teach you guys what you can do and where to spend your money to kind of get the best results from your skincare. Now, I'm here today to have a chemical peel. Now, when I say that, most people go, oh, I'd never have a chemical peel. And I actually feel the same because I've seen all the TV shows and all the images of these poor men and women who have had these peels and their skin looks really red and inflamed. That is not the case here. So having peels on your face is the best way to create a super smooth surface on your skin to kind of give you radiant, healthy looking skin. Now, the peel system that they're doing right now is called 12 weeks to wow. So you need to commit to 12 weeks. Over those 8 sessions over 12 weeks, you get 6 peels. It's a bit like having a personal trainer for your skin. If you're doing PT sessions, you need to be consistent. So it's week in, week out. Not only will you have someone who's giving you a bespoke facial, they will also give you the products to take away at home. So over that whole 12-week period, you will be boosting and refining your skin. I'm going to go and meet Lav, who's a professional Medik8 facialist, and she's going to tell us more.
I'm just going to twist the visio to get another image of the skin. So we'll do each side. Perfect. And then the idea throughout the 12 Weeks to Wow program is that we've taken the initial image on your first appointment of 12 Weeks to Wow. Then every single time you come back, we'll take a new image. And then at the 8th treatment, the big reveal, we'll compare the initial image to the image 3 months later and be able to show you the physical changes we were able to create within the skin. So we're going to start the process by doing a double cleanse with our Surface Radiance cleanser. And this is our AHA and BHA cleanser. So we've got lactic, salicylic and mandelic acid in here, and this is the perfect preparation for the skin prior to the peel to really help to desquamate any detaching dead skin cells and also lower the skin's pH. So we're going to prep the skin now for accepting the acids. So I'm using a pre-peel solution, which is an alcohol-denat ethanol-based solution, which helps to dramatically lower the skin's pH and remove any residual oils, excess cleansers. So we've got the perfect blank canvas to aid maximum penetration of our peeling acids on the skin. So I'm just going to be working with some petroleum jelly to cover any vulnerable areas where we don't want the peel to persist. So I'm just working around the contour of the eyes for Caroline, and we'll be going on to anything sort of raised or open on the skin. So raised warts and moles, open cuts, abrasions, and we'll ensure that we don't want our peel to travel to the lip area. So I'm just protecting these areas as well. Great, so Caroline, I'm going to apply your peel for you. So this can be exposed to the skin for up to 10 minutes, but as it's on the skin, I'm going to be asking you exactly how you feel. Now, to gauge how you feel, I'm going to ask you from a level of 1 to 10 how you feel. 1 being I can't feel anything, 10 being the most that you could take. I'm going to be asking and directing you and with my hands in specific localized areas. How does that sound?
Perfect.
Okay. It's going to feel really normal to feel a tingly sensation and perhaps some heat increase as the peel does persist on the skin. Feeling good? I'm going to apply the peel. You okay? I'm just going to keep your eyes closed for me.
Does it subside or does it stay the same? Because it's gone, you can feel it quite quickly. I thought it would kind of go, but actually it goes.
Yeah. So the sensation is, you're going to get used to the sensations. It's going to become a little bit more consistent. Okay. How are you feeling on a scale of 1 to 10 here?
7.
Okay, so pretty high. And how about the cheek area?
A bit less.
Yeah. Upper lip?
That's fine.
Yeah, but jawline, chin?
Fine.
Okay, so you're more just on the forehead area? Okay.
Which you think would be a stronger part of my skin, wouldn't you?
Have you used acids recently on your skin?
every day.
Yeah, could do that.
It's
but
fine, it's totally bearable,
Yeah.
but I mean, it's good. Obviously, no pain, no gain.
Yeah,
It's,
okay.
it's not pain, obviously, but
So we have got our time release technology within our formulation, which is by using an amino acid called arginine. Now, arginine allows the hydroxy acids to form temporary bonds with the arginine complex. So meaning when it goes on the skin, these bonds are very slowly released into the skin because the bonds that they form, the connections they form with the arginine complex are very loose, weak bonds. As it's exposed to water and the surface of the skin, these will slowly release. And this is what you'll be feeling. So the sensation may increase slightly, okay? But your skin's looking really controlled and this is exactly how it should look. Okay, great.
it feels active, but it feels comfortable.
Perfect. So we can keep the peel on for 10 minutes, okay? However, some people find that on their first treatment, as the skin builds resilience to the peeling systems, we might just expose the skin to the peel for around about 5 to 7 minutes. And then as we come back, we can increase that 10-minute exposure. So you just tell me how you feel, okay?
So are you looking at my skin as well? So
Yes.
if you were to see that my skin was becoming quite red, would you make the decision then to take it off?
Absolutely. So as my therapist's judgment, I'll be looking for areas of coagulation, which has showed that we have created cell necrosis or cell death, which is actually a good sign.
Cell death.
Cell death. This is actually a good sign. It sounds very dramatic and invasive, but it means these are damaged, weak skin cells that we don't want to bring to the surface, because when we get weak, damaged skin cells that come to the surface, that's when we see abnormalities like pigmentation or aging. So we actually want to kill them off. Then what we do by killing them off is we send the skin into overdrive and we allow the skin to regenerate fresh, healthy skin cells, normalised tissues at a much more accelerated, faster rate. So that's exactly what we want to do. But if I saw a lot of that coagulation, cell death in a certain area, I would neutralise just that area. If I saw excessive redness and maybe a lot of patching, then again I'd be looking at neutralising. But the great thing about the Medik8 treatments is that I can patch neutralise in areas. So if you're completely fine on a forehead and we know you really want to target maybe deeper sets lines along the forehead area, I can just neutralise along the jawline, for example. So we just patch neutralise for you. But the skin's looking really great. How are you feeling?
Fine, absolutely fine.
Okay. Has the sensation subsided slightly for you, Caroline?
Slightly, but it feels consistent now. So, yeah. So this is the rewind peel,
Absolutely, yeah.
and this is for pigmentation, fine lines.
Yes, so our rewind pill is a combination of 25% glycolic acid, 20% mandelic and 5% pyruvic acid, and it really is to target collagen synthesis within the skin and really look at relieving any discoloration in the skin, hyperpigmentation, and giving you that overall beautiful complexion and clarity. But it is, it's quite punchy. We've got the pyruvic acid in there, the glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is fantastic because it's proven to stimulate type 1 collagen, and that's really what your skin needs when we look at building density, firmness, volume within your skin.
That's what I want.
You're in the right place.
So today you've done the rewind peel. So the next peel that I came into, would you then make a judgment of what was required when you look at my skin, so you would change it, maybe, or not?
Absolutely. So the great thing about the Medik8 peeling systems, and what actually is a huge point of difference, which makes our brand so unique, is that we've got a comprehensive range of 12 different peels. So every time you come in, I'll assess your skin, and we'll be looking at, do we need to push your skin a little bit harder? Do we want to generate those turbocharged results on a specific area? And I can intensify the acid concentrations in those areas.
I see.
I would always remain with the rewind peel as your base layer. Then I can layer different peels on top depending on the areas or degree of damage in specific zones in the skin. So it's a very progressive skin journey, and I can intensify those concentrations as we go through that journey. So today we've got a 50% total acid content peel on the skin. Next time you come back, I'll do again a 50% as your base layer, which will be your rewind peel. But I might just add an extra 30% lactic or glycolic to your targeted areas of concern, which we know is your forehead, your upper lip, and maybe your jawline area.
Right. And you do that by simply adding another layer, or it's the mix of concentrate before you apply it?
It's actually physically adding that layer, so it's an extra application. So I'm going to neutralise your peel. Now when I'm neutralising, the heat and sensation might increase slightly, okay? It's going to be nice and quick. Just relax for me. You okay?
Yes.
Great. you feel the heat rise just slightly?
Slightly, yeah. And why does it rise?
Because we're restoring the pH so dramatically within the skin. So we've taken this pH of the skin to a really low acidic state, because the pH of this pill was a 2.2, and now I'm using a highly alkaline solution to dramatically raise it, which can give you that heat sensation. So I'm going to now douse the skin to dramatically cool the skin down. How's that feeling?
Lovely.
Great. And has that heat sensation subsided?
Mm-hmm.
How are you feeling?
Mm-hmm.
Has that sensation really sort of calmed down? No more tingling? Excellent. I'm just going to spritz your skin. So if you want to keep your eyes closed and take a nice deep breath in for me, Caroline. Perfect. Okay, Caroline, so to really support the healing process in the skin, I'm now applying our biocellulose mask, which is absolutely saturated in hyaluronic acid. This is really what your skin's going to be craving post-pill. It's going to help to calm and soothe the skin and really inject any lost water within the skin. How's that feeling?
Gorgeous.
Great. This is going to take down any inflammation for you and make your skin feel cocooned and comfortable, really accelerating the advanced healing on the skin. Your skin feels normalised now,
Mm-hmm.
Caroline? Excellent. So to really maximise the results of our core CSA philosophy, we're incorporating CSA into every single peel treatment. So at the moment, Caroline, I'm just applying our C-Tetra eye to the eye contours. I'm now going to go on to apply C-Tetra Intense to the whole face. And just after we finish the treatment, when we have a quick catch-up, I'm going to give you a mono dose of vitamin A. Now, a mono dose of vitamin A is a sachet of crystal retinol 3 that I want you to use this evening. So I really want to empower you to complete your own pill and CSA philosophy at home. So usage of vitamin A can absolutely be used before and after all of our peeling treatments to really help to speed up cell renewal and to facilitate the results of our peels. I'm now applying more of a barrier cream called the Ultimate Recovery, which will really help to defend and to protect your skin against your skin and the environments that it's faced with. And this is going to help to speed up that advanced healing process within the skin. This is what you're going to be using for the next 3 days to moisturise your skin, really helping to prevent any of that downtime. It's lovely, isn't it? How does it feel on your skin?
It feels really rich but not heavy.
Perfect. Absorbs really quickly. Then of course, the skin is now a lot more susceptible and vulnerable to radiation and free radicals. So I'm going to be applying our physical sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30. There we go, Caroline. How's your skin feeling?
Feels lovely.
Excellent. So I'm going to get you off the bed now, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what you should be avoiding tonight, the things that you should be doing, and how you're going to look after your skin for the next 3 days.
Thank you.
How's the skin feeling, Caroline?
Fabulous. It feels like it's had a
Excellent.
treatment, but it feels hydrated and not as red as I expected.
Perfect. Your skin responded perfectly to the pill. So I really look forward to giving you some more treatments and intensifying those results for you. So for the next 3 days, your skin is going to be slightly more vulnerable than normal. So we really want to support your skin through the healing process, and we're going to do that with our post-treatment kit alongside your normal CSA products, so your r-Retinoate, your Super C30.
You know my favourites.
Absolutely. So in there you've got the Calm Wise Soothing Cleanser, your Hydrate B5 to replace any lost water within the skin, your Recovery Cream, and of course our broad spectrum SPF to protect the skin.
I hope you found the film really helpful. I really enjoyed my treatment, and I'm looking forward to my skin getting better and better until June. And of course I will post a picture, a before and after, of what my skin looks like. So I will be using the post-treatment products, and then I'll be using the vitamin C in the morning, SPF in the day, and of course the r-Retinoate in the evening. Kindly, Medik8 have offered all of you guys a 15% discount of all my favourite products. Please look in the description box. This will only last for 2 weeks. So if you want to try some of their skincare, then please follow the links below. So the treatments are available in clinics nationwide and in many other countries. All the information is on their website. And finally, Medik8 are going to get involved with our beauty chat below. So if you have any questions about their skincare or the 12 weeks to wow peel that I've had, then please ask them and they will get back to you. Bye for now.